What are those? Huh? What are those? Are those grandma cookies? Okay, you can look at them. They are really yummy. No, leka leka, Connor. 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 Just a little bit. Just a tiny piece. Not the whole cookie. No, not the whole cookie. No. You can have a little piece. Here, hold on. Yeah. No, not the whole cookie. Here, look. Yeah. You like it? You like it? You like grandma's cookies? Huh? Oh, they are yummy, huh? Are they yummy? You want more? Okay. Do you like grandma's cookie? Are they Are they yummy? Do you like them? Okay, just because these are grandma's cookie, you can have it, okay? Don't get used. Just a little bit. What? You want to check on the other box? What? What? Connor. Just a little piece, not the whole cookie. Yeah, here. Yes, a tiny. Do you like it? Say thank you, Grandma. Say danke. 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 You like Grandma cookies? You like Grandma cookies? Color. You are not supposed to eat sweets. Okay, last one. That's it. Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? It makes you happy, huh? Okay, that's enough. Thank you. Thank you. Say thank you, Grandma. Say danke. Danke, Grandma, for cookie. Okay. Yeah, that's enough. No more. That's it. No more cookies. No. No more cookies. Sorry, no more cookies. That's it. No more cookies. No, no more cookies. No more cookies. No, we can't open. You got enough? Are you trying to open it? No. No. You can't open it, Connor. You got enough, okay? Connor. Connor. Tomorrow I gave you another piece, okay? That's it. No more cookie. That's it. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.